When General retired, Dr. CDG and Chiwenga leads this nation. And that day is coming. Zimbabweans will finally understand what it means to have a real government. Sana bina mashu kubida toko panapa na generals kaukima pranga that was subscribe ole got on the bill yako namda nyura chiti. Not a government or of entrepreneurs, not a government of briefcase businessmen who appeared from Norway in 2017 and today control everything from fuel to diamonds to land. Not a government where immense proximity to power determines his next worth. A real government for real Zimbabweans. Let us speak plainly about what must go. The parallel structures must go. Under the current dispensation, Zimbabwe has developed a shadow state, informal power networks that sit above cabinet, above parliament, above the constitution itself. Men who hold no elected office but whose phone calls move ministries. That ends under General Chiwenga government. The constitution will be supreme. Institutions will function as designed. Therefore, it is madness. Missionary must go. Campaign structures built are not around ideology or a national vision, but around the perpetuation of one man's grip on power. Structures funded by state resources operated through fear and patronage will be dismantled. Zimbabwe is not the personal property of any individual. The Uganda networks must go. Those who have fed on these nations' resources like it was their personal inheritance, who have looted parastatals, manipulated tenders and hidden behind political protection will find no shelter in a Chiwenga government. And let me say this directly. We are going to stop this madness of Uganda bringing their children into politics through the back door. Your father's connections are not a qualification. Your mother's proximity to State House is not a curriculum vitae. Zimbabwe's political offices are not family businesses to be inherited by people who have never served, never sacrificed, never bled for this country. Toma developments are kudapangwa ino. Pina comment section medu za fungu enyi mutu kulipa msoko vitu kwa ishi. So subscribe or like, punch it on the bell icon.